coffees. I've got to stop saying that. Got our coffees.
Got our coffees.
God, I'm having a coffee. Congratulations.
Like the rest of the world.
Oh, just listen 1 second. That's amazing. Oh, this sun. You said it wasn't going to be t-shirt weather.
I still think it's only like 13 degrees.
Absolutely boiling. Oh, I've got to stop putting that face as well.
What?
Good morning.
Morning. So we've woken up here at this beautiful park up. How long did it take us to get here? It was about 7
hours?
Yeah, it's supposed to be 7.5 hours. Got stuck in traffic. It ended up being 9 hours. As I think you can see, really, really worth it. We are parked somewhere up here.
What's the reservoir called? Is it I want to say Magget. It's not Magget.
Yeah, Megget.
Should probably, as travel vloggers, figure out our location before we do our
Before going on camera, yeah.
Hey, we're by a reservoir in Scotland. We don't know what it's called.
It's beautiful.
Megget Reservoir is an impounding reservoir in Megget Valley. The 259 hectare, 640 acre reservoir is held back by the largest earth dam in Scotland. The reservoir collects water from the Tweedsmuir Hills, which is then conveyed 28 miles via underground pipes to tunnels in Edinburgh. The reservoir was officially opened September 1983.
Oh yeah, down here
It was
as well.
just us, wasn't it? There's like little sort of parking bays in what leads to, I think, like the boathouse.
Yeah.
And so we were the only ones. Didn't see anyone all night. This morning we've seen one van, one car, one cyclist and one farmer.
And all you can hear is nature. Birds, sheep,
And then what's
the
our
odd fish.
plans? Our plans are to leave here, go get some more fuel. We used almost
Little fish.
almost a full tank getting here.
3/4 of a tank.
3/4
Probably
of a
fitting
tank.
in 1 to 2 hours worth of traffic didn't help, did it?
Yeah, I took a wrong turning down the M6, which was closed, resulted in quite a wait, didn't it? But yeah, we're
Sad
going from
times.
here to get some diesel, and then we're going off to Loch Lomond. The plan is today, hopefully, to walk Ben Lomond.
Yeah.
It's 4 hours.
We have no idea if this is possible.
Well, we could do it. It's just Frankel's.
We're going to see the Lomonds today, basically.
Yeah.
We're parking at Loch Lomond.
And we're going to hike up
And
Ben
that's
Lomond.
at the foot of Ben Lomond. And yeah, as Kez said, we're going to drive through Glasgow, go to Asda. Woo.
I didn't know we're driving into Glasgow.
Well, we have to drive through Glasgow.
No, you go round Glasgow. Glasgow's well busy.
We drove through it last time.
Did we?
Yeah, and then you drive past the airport. We go through like the flyover roads,
Oh, I
which
don't
are the
remember
motorways.
that. Remember that.
Anyway, so we're driving through Glasgow, seems, and then get some Scottish treats. What are your little
Salties.
Salties.
Whoa there, we meant butteries, but don't worry, we'll keep referring to them incorrectly.
If you have been to Scotland and you haven't tried salties, you are missing out on something amazing. I mean, that's if you like salt, I suppose. It's like salties were created for fishermen at sea. So they loaded the bread with salt so it's preserved out at sea so they can still have bread when they're out at sea. And then the tradition is carried on in Scotland. Morrison's do their fresh bakery salties. Oh, they are just
Beautiful, if you
looking
like
forward
salt.
to.
And hopefully we get another watery park up like this.
And we've got beautiful sunshine. It's going to be warmer. It's about, what, 13 degrees here?
We were here last year and it snowed.
Yeah. Still expect that.
Same time of year.
Still expect that this
Yeah,
year.
we saw a bit of snow on, like tiny little bits of snow on some mountains. You can have a little fire pit here. Can't go in the reservoir, obviously, a bit dangerous.
But if you go to our Instagram channel, what I'm trying to do is share reviews. I've shared some park ups we've been to before in different locations, but for Scotland I'm going to try a new different tactic where I kind of do a little bit of a review on each park up. For example, this one on Park for Night, it said that you're going to be charged £15. There's no signs, no one comes round, it's beautiful, you're out in nature, you're absolutely fine. But if you go to Instagram, you'll see within the highlights, Scotland, and all of this park up will be explained and reviewed.
At Tristan Kez on
Oh
Instagram,
yeah, it's linked on the YouTube channel.
where you're watching this now.
You're watching this now. Hey,
So,
subscribe. Hit
Let's
the like button.
head off on our journey.
Woohoo!
Bye.
Over the next few episodes, we'll be travelling around Scotland, showing you all the park ups and delights that this place has to offer. Off we set to the supermarket and our next park up. The drives in Scotland are stunning, and we had to pull over the van for this one.
So we've just snacked and fueled up, driving through Glasgow. Roads seem alright, don't they, at the moment? On our way to Loch Lomond, we found this great park up, the Lochside view, Trebien, hey Frank, Trebien. The Loch Lomond is a beautiful lake in southern Scotland. It's surrounded by highlands and notably Ben Lomond. There's footpaths, cycle tracks here, water activity. Did you know it's a whopping 24 miles long? Nice, check out this snack stand this B&B's got. So we set off Ben Lomond and it's already too hot for Frank, bless him. The sun is this guy's nemesis, so change plan, I think. And yeah, guess we'll head to some waterfalls we can hear instead. So we're just going to dip our feet in the water here, see how cold it is. But it's a lovely day, nice and sunny. Bloody hell, that was cold, wasn't it? Really. A lot of the places we visited and are going to visit in Scotland whilst we're here, it's got a lot of really well marked out trails with the distances. We're going to check out the Ardres History Trail, also the West Highland Way that comes right through here. Check out this view. Oh, hello. Got back to the van, just finished up our walk, had another coffee, and then we just headed down to this little pier that's out on the loch. Going to sit here for a bit, check this out. It's just prepping us a curry for tonight. I think we're going to go for a walk along the shoreline again. The sky is just amazing at the moment. What a place to spend the evening, eh? So Kez has cooked up our curry and there's all these little picnic benches everywhere. So I think we're going to have a little al fresco dine-in. I mean, come on, how could you not have dinner with a view like this? That's all we got time for this week, folks. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video with someone you love. It really helps our channel out. And see you next time where we carry on our Scottish road trip. Bye for now.